everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something super exciting for all of you aspiring food entrepreneurs out there. Starting a food business with a loan of less than 2 lakh rupees. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to break down how you can get started, what kind of business you can consider, and most importantly, how to get the funding that you need. So before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Please consult with a financial expert before making any decisions. So welcome to yet another video of Boss Wala English YouTube channel. I'm Akshara. So many people think that starting a food business requires a huge investment, but that is not always true. You can absolutely kickstart a successful venture with a budget under 2 lakh rupees. The key is smart planning, choosing the right business model and leveraging available resources. Just think about it. Home-based baking or catering. If you're a whiz in the kitchen, you can start small, taking orders for cakes, cookies or small catering gigs from home itself. Or do you have a secret recipe for an amazing chutney or pickle or spice blend? You can bottle it up and sell it as well. Food cart or kiosk. In some areas, a basic food cart or kiosk can be set up for a relatively low cost, especially if you focus on a limited menu. The beauty of starting small is that it reduces your initial risk. You can test your ideas, build a customer base, and scale up as you grow. Let's get specific. What kind of food businesses can realistically be started with loan under 2 lakh rupees? Number 1, home bakery or cloud kitchen. This is probably one of the most popular and accessible options. You can bake cakes, pastries, cookies, or even prepare specific meals from your home kitchen. Let's check the cost, ingredients, basic baking equipment if you don't have it, and packing, marketing materials, and initial registrations. Specialization is the key. So you have to focus on a unique cake design, gluten-free options, or specific regional snacks. Now let's see how to take the loan. Buying a commercial oven if needed, a good mixer, branding and packaging design, initial inventory. Number 2, specialty food product manufacturing, small scale. For example, handmade chocolates, artisanal jams, unique spice blends, health snacks, traditional pickles or organic dips. The cost, raw materials, specific processing equipment like a small mixer, sealer, and next attractive packaging, FSSAI license, marketing. Let's say loan usage, sourcing quality ingredients in bulk, custom packaging, basic machinery, marketing collateral. Number 3, food cart or mobile stall. Basic setup. For example, chai stall, Maggie point, street food like momos, sandwiches or vada pavs. The cost is a basic cart, often rented, or you can purchase second-hand as well. Then there is cooking equipment like a burner, griddle, utensils you need, initial stock, and municipal permits as well. Loan usage, purchasing or customizing a cart, initial cooking equipment, essential permits, first round of ingredients as well. Disclaimer, local regulations for food cart vary significantly. Always check with your local municipality for required permits and license before investing. Number 4, tiffin service or meal delivery, home-based. Let's see the concept. Preparing and delivering home-cooked food to offices, students or busy individuals. The cost, ingredients, sturdy tiffin boxes, delivery charges if using third party, and marketing. Loan usage, bulk purchase of ingredients, quality tiffin carriers, marketing efforts to reach potential customers. When starting a cloud kitchen, remember that since you don't have a storefront, your packaging is your first impression. Investing a small portion of your loan into high quality, leak-proof containers can define your brand. If you choose a specialty food product route, consider starting with just one hero product like a signature garlic pickle to keep your initial raw material cost low and your quality high. For those looking at food carts, location is 90% of your success. Spend time observing food traffic at different times of the day before you finalize where to park your investment. A Tiffin service thrives on consistency. Even if you start with just 5 customers, delivering a balanced home-style meal at the exact same time every day will naturally build a loyal base through word of mouth. Now for the crucial part, getting that loan for amounts under 2 lakh. You're usually looking at a few common options. Number 1, micro loans from banks and NBFCs, non-banking financial companies. Many banks and NBFCs offer small business loans specifically designed for micro, small and medium enterprises, which is MSMEs. These loans often have simpler application processes and can be disbursed relatively very quickly. So look for business loans, MSME loans or micro enterprise loans. The requirements are a solid business plan. Even if it is simple, you have to have a business plan. Proof of identity and address, bank statements and sometimes collateral for slightly larger amounts. Though many micro loans are collateral free. Number 2, you can choose government schemes, your best bet. This is where it gets really interesting, especially in India. The government has several schemes designed to promote entrepreneurship, particularly for small businesses and first-time entrepreneurs. There is Pradhan Mudra Yojana, PMMY. This is perhaps the most relevant scheme for you. Mudra loans are specifically for non-corporate, non-farm, small, micro enterprises. They are divided into 3 categories, which is Shishu, loans up to 50,000 rupees, perfect for starting very small. Then Kishore loans from 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. This category fits our 2 lakh budget perfectly. Then there is Tarun loans from 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Key feature is no collateral is required for loans up to 10 lakh. Reasonable interest rates are only there and easily accessible through banks and financial institutions as well. Now let's look at how to apply to these loans. See, approach any bank, public sector, private sector, regional, rural banks, cooperative banks as well, or NBFC. You will need your business plan, identity proof, address proof and recent photographs. Stand Up India scheme is there as well, while often for larger projects in specific categories, SCST and women entrepreneurs. Some components or smaller loans under this umbrella could be relevant. It encourages bank loans between 10 lakh and 1 crore. But the spirit of supporting new ventures is so strong. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. This scheme aims to generate self-employment opportunities through the establishment of micro-enterprises in the non-farm sector. It offers financial assistance and subsidies as well. For service sector projects like many food businesses, the maximum project cost is 10 lakh, meaning a project under 2 lakh would easily qualify for assistance. SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI plays a crucial role in the development of MSMEs and offers various schemes and works with other banks to facilitate loans as well. Let's see latest updates on this 2023-24 context. The government has been continuously pushing for ease of doing business and financial inclusion for MSMEs. Digital platforms for loan applications are becoming more relevant and many banks are streamlining the process for Mudra loans. Always check the official website of these schemes, example mudra.org.in, for the latest guidelines and participating financial institutions. Number 3, there is self-help groups, SHGs, and cooperative societies. In many local communities, SHGs and cooperative societies provide small loans to members, often with simple procedures and peer support. Number 4, friends and family. Sometimes the best and most accessible loan comes from those closest to you. If you choose this route, treat it very professionally. Draw up a simple agreement, define repayment terms and stick to them. Pro tips: When approaching a bank for Mudra loan, don't just ask for money. Present yourself as a prepared business owner by carrying a neatly folded file with all your printed documents and a clear vision about the business that you're going to do. Many people don't realize that under the Shishu and Kishore Mudra schemes, there is a focus on credit guarantee, which means the government acts as your guarantor, so you don't have to provide property as collateral. While the interest rates for these government-backed loans are generally lower than private money lenders, always ask the bank manager for the effective interest rate to understand your monthly EMIs clearly. If you're a woman entrepreneur, mention the Mahila Udyami benefits, as many banks offer additional concessions or specialized training programs alongside the loan. Now, what you need, no matter which loan option you choose, being prepared is key. Here's what you'll generally need. Number one, a simple business plan. Even for a small loan, showing you've thought through your idea is vital. Include concepts like what food business are you starting, products and services like what will you sell, and your target market like who are your customers, and market strategy like how will you reach them, and the cost breakdown like how will you use the 2 lakh rupees, like for example the equipment, raw materials, marketing, licenses, etc., and revenue projections as well. How do you plan to make your money and repay the loan? Number 2, required documents. Identity proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, passport, anything is fine. Address proof like Aadhaar card, utility bills, electricity and water bills is fine. Rental agreement as well. Business proof, FSSAI license mandatory for food businesses, shop and establishment license if applicable, Udyam registration, easy online process for MSMEs. Bank statements, personal and any existing business bank statements for the last 6 to 12 months is needed as well. Photographs, please always keep passport size photographs with you. Quotation for equipment. If you're buying specific machinery, having quotes help justify the loan amount. A common mistake is spending the entire 2 lakh on the equipment. I highly recommend keeping at least 20% of your loan amount, roughly 40,000 rupees, as a working capital reserve to cover losses for the first 3 months. Also, you can save significant money by purchasing refurbished commercial refrigerators or stainless steel tables, allowing you to divert more fund towards high quality ingredients and marketing. And never forget the invisible costs like electricity deposits, fuel for delivery, and the small fees for digital payment machines, which can add up if not planned for in your initial budget. Next, let's look at 2 essential licenses and registrations. Before you even think about serving food, you must have the right licenses. Number 1 is FSSAI license. Let's see how to register for it. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India license is non-negotiable for any food businesses. For businesses with an annual turnover below 12 lakh rupees, a basic FSSAI registration is usually sufficient, which is simpler and less expensive than a full license. The process for it is apply online through the FOSCOS portal, which is foscos.fssai.government.in. Disclaimer: operating a food business without FSSAI license can lead to severe penalties. Ensure you apply for and obtain this before starting operations. Number 2, Udyam registration. This is simple, free online registration for MSMEs. It helps you avail benefits of government schemes. It is highly recommended. And number 3, Shop and Establishment Act license. Required by most states and local municipalities. If you have a physical premise, even a small kiosk or a dedicated home kitchen space. Number 4, GST registration. Mandatory if your annual turnover exceeds a certain threshold. Currently, it's 40 lakh for goods and 20 lakh rupees for services, though threshold can vary for specific states. Even if you're below the threshold, some businesses opt for it to claim input tax credit. In today's digital age, your phone is your best marketing tool. Use free apps like Canva to create professional looking menus and WhatsApp businesses to take orders directly from your neighbors. Offer a founder special discount during your first week of operation to encourage people to try your food, and ask every customer to leave a Google review to boost your local visibility. Sustainability is a growing trend. So, mentioning that you use eco-friendly packaging or locally sourced vegetables can help you stand out from the bigger, more corporate competitors. And finally, remember that the most successful food businesses are those that listen to their customers. If 5 people tell you the spice level is too high, be humble enough to adjust your recipe immediately. Now, how to make your business a success? Getting the loan is just the beginning. Here's how to ensure your food business thrives. Quality is the king. Always prioritize taste, hygiene, and fresh ingredients. And unique selling proposition, USP. What makes your food special? Is it a secret recipe, organic ingredients, unique fusion, or exceptional service? Next is marketing. Social media, Instagram and Facebook are powerful for food businesses now. High quality photos and engaging content are crucial. Next is word of mouth. Encourage happy customers to spread the word. Next comes local partnerships. Collaborate with local offices, gyms, or event organizers. Next comes online food delivery platforms. Once you scale a bit, consider Swiggy or Zomato, but be mindful of their commission structures as well. Next comes customer services. Excellent service keeps customers coming back all the time. Next is financial management. Keep track of your income and expenses diligently. Reinvest profits wisely as well. Next is adaptability. The food industry is very dynamic. Be ready to adjust your menu, pricing, or strategy based on customer feedback and market trends. So starting a food business with a loan under 2 lakh rupee is not just a dream. It's a very achievable reality, especially with the support of government schemes like Mudra. With passion, a solid plan, and the right financial backing, you can turn your culinary skills into a thriving enterprise. So don't let the fear of big investments hold you back. Start small, learn, grow, and who knows, your little food venture might just become the next big thing. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends who just wants to become a food entrepreneur, and subscribe to Bosswala English YouTube channel for such more exciting business tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Brand partnerships and advertising enquiries. Email brand@bosswala.com. WhatsApp 910-801-4192.
Bosswala. Be the boss.